Chonghan Intelligent Technology Beijing Company Limited was established in 2017 and is located in Beijing, the capital city of China. We are a professional service provider focusing on high-end control room consoles. Our company integrates research and development, sales, and service. Our partner's company is equipped with domestic, well-known CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, stud welding machine, seamless welding machine, and other supporting equipment. Our main products include control center console, monitor screen arm, PDU power, ergonomic chair, multimedia conference table. We have through ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and other management systems. Most of our products have got CE, SGS, RHOS certificates, and other test reports. We are committed to the perfect combination of ergonomics and product technology to meet the needs of different customers, providing customized solutions and using high-quality raw materials to create a smarter, more comfortable, more environmentally friendly, and more humane control center. Customers can use our operating console to establish a scientific, intelligent, modernized, information-based construction command and dispatch control center and experience a new level of intelligent collaboration. Our clients include government departments, military, and various command centers of public institutions, and have been widely recognized. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.